Module manufacturing at Solarfabrik, the latest generation of solar power technology. Extensive automation ensures cost-efficient production, while careful inspections help maintain a consistently high level of module quality. Incoming materials inspection. All production materials and the solar cells in particular must meet the highest quality standards. Special solar glass is used for the module covering, with maximum light transmission for the highest power yields, even in diffuse or low light. We subject all glass plates to a stress test, the beginning of a good module. Once tested, the glass is cleaned. The cleaning water is ultraviolet treated to prevent any bacteria from building up inside the module. A translucent intermediate film is then placed on the glass plate. These module components are now ready to be introduced into the production line. Multiple automatic soldering units solder the solar cells in parallel to form strings. Only solar cells of the highest quality are used. The cells are placed on the conveyor belt with millimeter precision. A video camera system monitors the positioning and quality of the cells in detail. The cells are preheated in a multi-stage process, which greatly lowers the thermal stress on the cells caused by soldering. The gentle warming process drastically reduces the breakage rate. Innovative stringer technology allows the processing of extremely thin solar cells with thicknesses as low as 160 microns. In what is known as the layup, the cells that have been soldered into strings are placed on the intermediate film and glass plate in a fully automated process and monitored by high-performance video cameras that can detect even the slightest deviation in the strings. Next stage, busing. A manufacturing step that still requires slow and costly manual labor in many places. At Solarfabrik, this step is fully automated in a chamber equipped with the latest in laser technology. This procedure is efficient and ensures a solid soldering connection. The module components are now complete. The intermediate film and front glass plate are on top of the solar cells, with a second intermediate film and rear film underneath. The whole arrangement is then placed in the laminator, where it is fused into a solid unit at high temperature and constant pressure within a vacuum. The cells are now permanently protected. At the next inspection point, experienced quality control analysts examine the finished laminates. Yet another step for ensuring Solarfabrik quality. In the framing station of the Solarfabrik, robots work hand in hand. The frame components are joined and pressed into place in an optimized manufacturing sequence with a high throughput and with great precision. The frame system of the Solarfabrik modules is open. Rainwater can easily drain out. This prevents frost damage in winter. Simulated sunlight on all modules. The actual performance figures are then recorded and documented. This is followed by safety and high voltage tests. The flesher needs to make precise measurements. That's why we have the Fraunhofer Institute for Eye on the performance of Solarfabrik modules. modules are pre-sorted by power class. A special logistics system reduces the cost of transport and storage in our production facility. Our top quality modules only stay in storage a short time before they are shipped out. To solar